Today we're at Clemyjontri Park for our open house. It is an event that we have planned to get people back out into Clemyjontri Park and reopen it to the community. We have free carousel rides, train rides, and a lot of resources that we have set up from different agencies around the county and the Park Authority with our Access and Inclusion team, ensuring that our community is set up for an inclusive environment. The entire park is set up for wheelchair users and other people with disabilities. Today we wanted to do this open house. We're also starting to plan a renovation for Clemyjontri, which will include some public feedback through a survey that we're asking for different play features and what people are looking for in an inclusive park. So that's really kind of like the main goal, and just getting people out to Clemmy, making sure that they know that it's here for all kids of all ages. Fairfax County Park Authority invites everyone to enjoy the wonders of parks and recreation, explore our inclusive spaces and amazing inclusive programs for all abilities at fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/accessible.